Designer enduring legacy lies in its innovative use of pattern, luxurious fabrics, and timeless silhouette. Known for its signature zigzag motif and expert craftsmanship, the brand seamlessly merged tradition with contemporary trend, whether for casual outing or high fashion event. The designer dresses remain versatile, vibrant, and elegant, embodying the spirit of bold individuality and artistic expression. As a cornerstone of Italian fashion, designers continue to inspire with designs that celebrate color, texture, and creativity, making their piece an essential addition to any wardrobe. These trends for fashion show often highlight a mix of tradition and modernity. These dresses are equipped with metallic fabrics, sequins, and glittery embellishment are in vogue. Instead of traditional draping, bring a modern twist. Caps are often embroidered or shirred to balance tradition and contemporary design. Multi-layered skirt or one with ruffle give a voluminous yet stylish appearance. Sheer dresses with embellished underskirt, often a fusion of elegance and allure, often paired with heavily embroidered cholis for balance. Unconventional blouse styles such as one shoulder or off the shoulder cut are gaining attention. These pairs beautifully with high waisted dresses. Pen shirt in bold print, stripes, and check for cohesive and trendy look can be accessorized with belt, minimal jewelry, and loafers are included cohort sets. Slim fit jeans balanced with oversized or boyfriend style shirt, often styled with sneaker or heel and layered necklace for a laid back look. These outfits for women blend comfort and style, offering versatile look for both casual and formal occasion. Power suits include tailored trouser paired with oversized blazer or a structured shirt for a chic and formal look. Monochrome set or bold color like red, cobalt blue, or pastel shade are popular. Accessorized with belt for a cinched waist. These dresses are a staple on fashion show runway, known for their sleek silhouettes and elegant appeal. Dresses that hug the body with precision, tailoring, and structured cut are sculptured silhouettes. Contour enhancing detail like a strategic paneling, corset inspired bodice, or underwire detailing. Bold cutout detail around the waist, shoulder, or back for add allure. Asymmetrical hemlines or necklines for modern age. The designers is renowned for its opulent and daring dress design that blend vintage inspired elements with contemporary aesthetics. Their collection features a variety of styles including mini, midi, and maxi dresses, each characterized by distinct details such as skin, feathers, asymmetrical cut, and vibrant color. Metallic strip lamb midi dress. This dress showcases shimmering metallic strips, offering a glamorous option for an evening event. Feather embroidered cotton mini dress. A bold mini dress adorned with feathers embroidery reflecting the blend penchant for maximalist design. Sequin embellished fitted dress. This dress is embellished with sequin, providing a sparkling choice for special occasion. Asymmetric convertible midi dress featuring an asymmetric design. This midi dress can be styled in multi ways, showcasing versatility and innovation. Ladies and gentlemen, as the lights dim and the final notes fade, we conclude tonight's celebration of artistry, creativity, and innovation. This show was not just about fashion, it was a story, an expression, and a vision brought to the life. Every design graced the runway with elegance, pushing boundaries and inspiring new ways to see the beauty. As we leave tonight, let's the creating and inspiration continue to resonate, reminding us of the power of fashion to connect, transform, and inspire. Until next time, thank you and good night.